companions, not competitors. Let us ask ourselves, are we companions to one another? Ang turing ko ba sa kapwa ko, kasama o kalaban? Kalakbay o katunggali? Sapagkat ang tunay na deboto, ang tunay na nanalig kay Jesus sa Nazareno, ganon ang kanyang nasa isip at puso, tayo'y magkakasama. Perhaps others are better than us. Perhaps others are more accomplished than us. But we need not worry because the lens of the heart of Jesus is not about who is the best among us, who is the most successful among us. What Jesus looks for are those who strive to be better than their old selves, those who strive to be more like Him, who is our companion along the way.